In the demanding world of rail, reliability isn't optional, it's essential. Introducing ABB's rolling stock contactors. From intense vibration and extreme temperature to complex installations and long service life expectations, ABB's new contactor range delivers performance where it matters the most. Designed with innovation in every detail, the new range features captive screws to prevent drop loss during installation, significantly reducing installation time compared to previous RT contactors, smaller size and weight with up to 19% size reduction and 50% weight reduction, an enhanced terminal design, facilitating ferrule's insertion, seamless compatibility with manual starters for a compact and modular starting solution, launched with retrofit kits to make upgrades easier than ever. Full backward compatibility, that means fast, error-proof installation with no need to redesign your system. Purpose-built for rail, ABB's new generation of contactors are engineered to keep systems safe, stable, and running longer.